Well, good morning. So my friend and I are gonna be painting today, and I thought I would just film the process, take you on the whole journey with us as much as possible, because as you can see, I'm really sick. Like, I'm ill. Thankfully, I think it's just a cold because I don't have a fever. And my friend is also sick, so it's like we're gonna be having a sick and painting day. Or a painting day for the sick. Yeah, I guess it's just that time of year that many people are getting sick, and I caught it. And yesterday I rested, so that was good. But I really want to spend time with my friend, and we've been looking forward to this for a while, so we thought not to cancel and to just go ahead with it. But it's gonna be interesting. It really will be interesting. So but before we get started, my flatmate gave me some ginger. I'm so grateful for her. Yeah, because I don't have any, and this is really good. And I'm gonna be drinking a lot of this today. I also have some honey that I'm gonna add to it. But hopefully this will help. All right, so I'm setting up the spot where we're gonna be painting. To protect the floors, I'm gonna put this, I put this sheet here. And we've got some snacks going on. It's not a lot. This is totally not extravagant. It's like mostly to hang out. Gonna play some music, and since I'm filming on my phone, well, you get to see my playlist, don't you? Yeah, just where's the album? The Christmas album. Here we go. Yes. So I'm gonna play this nice album right here, because it's the season. 'Tis the season, huh? Hello.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning. Or afternoon.
How are you?
How are you here?
Thank you. Thank you for inviting me.
Of course. Oh, those look like really nice brushes.
Yeah,
They're good quality.
Chino.
Do you have any idea what you'd like to paint?
Yes.
Yeah? You have an idea.
I have like some ideas of what I want to paint, and I've been waiting for so long. It's like, okay, now this is happening.
Yeah.
But I think I am going to paint a lioness today.
Oh, a lioness.
Yes.
Oh wow, you know, it's funny, I was thinking of like painting a lion.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I tried already.
Okay.
I can get my painting and show you. I've painted two things so far. Yeah, because since I painted my room, I put it on this too.
That's sweet.
Yeah, so this is my lion.
I love it.
Yeah, I want to do it again and improve, and this was something like a vision I had during the academy, and I painted it. It felt like it was signifying like a journey. Yeah, an intense journey that produced oil, and it sure did.
Yeah, I was seeing it. Oh, this is very pretty.
Yeah. Here's the progress. Oh, Diana's one is looking really nice. This is, so she's painting a lioness, and I'm painting a lion. Yeah, I want this to be the lion of the tribe of Judah. Since the table is otherwise occupied with paint, we're using the floor to eat. Yum, yum, yum.
I am not cutting very exact.
It's alright, it'll go to our stomachs anyway. So, paint check-in. How's it going, Diana?
Now I am feeling better.
Yeah, it's mine right now. Still need to do a lot of blending, but I think it's going well. And the pizza, whoa. We weren't that hungry, were we?
Almost done.
Yeah. So guys, I think I'm gonna end here. Like, I think I'll insert a picture of what I was trying to go for. And this is what I ended up with. It's not quite the same, but you know. I think it's so, oh wow, this is looking so good. Yeah, so that's Diana's, and this is what she was going for. But she did a crown instead of the flowers, but yeah, the crown works.
Yeah, but it is very different though.
Yeah, we can take one like of us standing and holding, maybe like a boomerang.
Ooh,
Yeah.
Do you want to hold it?
Yeah.
Like do a boomerang.
Oh yeah.
Maybe do you have like
Hmm.
aluminium or
Yeah, I do. That was paint. So that's over. It was really fun, really fun. My line didn't turn out how I wanted it to, but it was good hanging out with Diana and just enjoying our time together. Now I need to tidy up, but I'm so tired. I don't want to do anything else. Oh man, my body is tired. But it's good stuff. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to doing more videos like this and seeing you soon. So have a great day. Whew.